The moisture reading here is high, indicating active corrosion.
And the plating thickness is negligible on the script badge letters.
The extent of the delamination on the walnut trim is significant. We have severe cracking across the dash pad, exposing the foam.
The frame rails show extensive crusty surface rust. We've documented the need for frame section replacement due to the scale accumulation here.
As you can see, the adhesive completely failed. We'll need to use these pieces strictly for pattern reference. The substrate cracking is significant.
Steering wheel center horn pad being carefully removed, revealing steering wheel mounting nut beneath.
Documenting the unique disassembly of this '94 Classic, we see the extent of the corrosion. As you can see, the Ardennes green block cleaned up perfectly. The intake casting details are crisp and clear now.
The key here is consistency. We start with the 2000 grit and maintain that uniform scratch pattern.
Ensuring factory specification is key. Notice how the bushings are masked to protect the rubber from overspray.
Look at that gloss, it's flawless.
Confirmed. Paint thickness is perfect across the board. Great job, everyone.
Okay, the engine and transmission are next on the list.
Yes, let's get the mounts ready before we lift it.
Did you hit the torque spec on the lowers yet?
Just finished. Moving to the uppers now.
We're installing the new self-leveling air springs, securing the mounting hardware, and routing the new air lines to the compressor. Make sure these braided lines clear the cross member.
They're clear. I'm tightening the filter clamp now.
Adjusting the key light now.